2018, there are so many crazy demos to get your attention, but this one, I think, takes the cake. I'm going to get into a BMW M5 with a professional driver and do donuts right outside the Las Vegas Convention Center and show you what it's like in 360 degrees. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this. So we're in the car. We have our GoPro Fusion 360 camera and we have Johan, who is going to be driving us today. I'm so excited to do this.
It's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to it. I never get tired of this.
Guys, that was seriously amazing. Like, doing donuts in Las Vegas, it's the only way to do Vegas. Seriously, I can't wait to see what the footage looks like. I don't feel sick. That was awesome. So now I have my 360 clip, and if I don't want to share it as a 360 video, I can actually do this thing called over capture that's on the Fusion. So basically all I need to do is grab this original clip and I need to press this button up here. That's the over capture button. Then I can scrub through to where I want the video to start capturing, and essentially I'm refilming the 360 degree video, but I'm going to do it in a 2D form that pretty much anyone can view anywhere. Zoom in, out, reframe. I can even follow the action around just by moving the phone or the tablet. And when I'm happy with my shot, I can then play it and export it, and it's available, this feature, on mobile for iOS and Android coming soon if you have a Fusion 360 camera.